Okay guys, David Ozio, Lake Fork. Another day on the pond and scouring a lot of water and really trying to find some of this grass. The lake's 3 foot low right now, but the strange thing is there's still grass out in that 2, 3, 4 foot range, and it's just a matter of pinning it down. It's not everywhere, but when you do find it, you know, you're going to find some fish on it. Now, the purpose of this video is to give you an idea what to look for. And like I mentioned in a prior video, that if you can catch 3 or 4 sunny south wind days, always go look at all the north banks, no matter where you're at, all right? Because that south wind heats up the very top layer of the water, and what it does is it pushes it towards that north bank. Those fish are really, how can I say it? They love that warmer water, just that little bit warmer water. You could have a 5-degree difference from one side of a pocket to the other just because the south wind is blowing that top layer of the water up against that north bank. Trick is, find a north bank that's got some grass on it, or a pocket that's got some grass in it, and on those south wind days, it's going to funnel that warm water to the back of that pocket. Those fish are going to follow. Shad will follow that. Brim are already going to be in there. I've been seeing brim even up shallow, even in these last few days. So pay attention to that. Always pay attention to water temp. Whenever a cold front comes through, what's going to end up happening is that warm water that you found in those pockets on the north side of the lake is all going to be pushed back. It's going to be pushed out, and those temps will drop 4, 5, 6, 7 degrees on 2 days of a north wind. So you're back to scratch. So that's just one of the things that we deal with at this time of the year. And, you know, I mean, it's a viable pattern if the conditions set up right. Now, if you happen to be in January fishing some kind of stringer tournament where you need unders, you know what? I would still be looking out in 20 to 35 foot of water for those unders. For some strange reason, a lot of those females don't get out there that deep, but I tell you what, I've won a lot of tournaments in past years out there scouting that, you know, 20 to 35 foot range on all the points. Just look at every single point on the lake, and all of a sudden you'll find a little group of them that'll hit a drop shot, a shaky head, a Carolina rig. And I'll usually still hang on to colors that are red. So take that to heart, give that a try, and I'm going to guarantee you, I bet you do really well here in the month of January, even into February. Okay, play well.